Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will presentation about project implementation of it in cafe. Member's name is Esa Aura, Indika Syahranu Putra, and last me Muhammad Farhan Aldisyah Putra. Background: Cafe is a place to relax and chat where visitors can order drinks and food. The cafe is a type of a restaurant but priorities a relaxed atmosphere, entertainment, and the comfort of visitors so that it provides comfortable sitting and music. Understanding a cafe according to the Dictionary of English Language and Culture. Longman is a small restaurant that serves or sells snacks and drinks. Cafes are usually used by people to relax. Meanwhile, according to the new dictionary and Thesaurus, a cafe is an expensive restaurant that provides food that is easy to prepare or serve again. This cafe is standard in general. Some are indoor and some are outdoor, and are equipped with several security facilities. For example, CCTV and this cafe is only one floor, and there are several other facilities such as TV, and outside there is also a garden. System analysis. System summary. In this implementation of in Cafe project, we plan a manufacture of network topology design in Cafe. This network topology design includes one wireless access point, 3 computers, one server, one switch, one modem, one LED TV, 9 CCTV, and 2 printers. Computers 1 as computer client database. Computer 2 as a cashier to receive order. And last, computer 3 as operator CCTV is used for monitoring the situation that recorded by CCTV. Thank you.
Okay, for the next 3 slides, I will be talking about the hardware specification. The first one, I have the monitor. I picked the Asus V228DE, the standard for any cafe. And the next one, I have the Kaizen MT200. That's if you didn't know what the Kaizen MT200, that's the for if you buy some food or drinks in the cafe, they give you a receipt just for the formality. And the next one, we have the ProLink True Plug. That's the outdoor CCTV because they have the night vision. Okay, moving on, we have the Hikvision IP Dome. That's the indoor CCTV or the indoor camera. It's specialized in their WDR, which means the wide dynamic range. And the next one, we have the Asus router, the N14 UHP. It can run up to 300 Mbps, which is fast. And we have the Logitech M170. If you don't know, the Logitech M170 is the mouse for the computer. It's supported to the Windows XP, Vista 7, Windows 10, the iOS. It's complete. Next, we have the Sony Bravia or the LED TV. Just in case you're asking why I put it there, is because in cafe where you want to chill with your friends, maybe you might want to watch the TV in the cafe. And next we have the switch Cisco, the SLM224GT. It has the capacity of switching up to 48 Gbps. The next one, we have the Logitech keyboard USB. It's the lightest keyboard. It's only weigh 740 gram. Okay, for the next one, I'll be talking about the Intel Core i5. It has the specification of a quad-core, 3.2 GHz, 84 watts, 6 megabytes cache, and integrated Intel HD graphic up to 4600, which is good, not as good as the Core i7, but it's still standard. Then the last one actually, there is the KVM switch. If you're wondering what the KVM switch is, where for example 5 CPU connected to just one computer, so you can control 5 CPU in just one computer at a time.
Software specification. For software that we use in this project is first, operating system Windows 10 Home is used to perform all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output on your computer, and controlling the peripheral devices such as disk drive and printers. Next, you have IP camera viewer is used for monitoring your CCTV camera, so you can check it at any time, also record the video, and you can turn on or turn off the camera with this software. And next we have VLC media player is used for the play video that recorded by the CCTV. VLC media player is same function with Windows media player. And next we have Adobe Premiere Pro is used to edit video CCTV recordings. When the video is a little bit dark or a little bit bright, you can solve the problem with Adobe Premiere Pro. Next we have Meju. Meju is application is used for cashier and to calculate the total expense and income and record all buying and selling transactions. Next we have Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office include Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, and many more. It's used for document requirement.
So in this slide, I will be talking about the budget and the cost of the material. First, we have the monitor. It cost 1,300,000. The second one, we have the printer. It cost 470,000. The third one, we have the outdoor CCTV. It cost 2,650,000. And we have, in quantity, we have 3 of them. So in total is 7,150,000. The fourth one, we have the indoor CCTV. It costs 1,350,000, and we have 6 of those. In total is 8,100,000 rupiah. Then we have the router. It costs 960. Then we have the CPU, the processor. It costs 3,500,000. Then we have the mouse. It costs 200,000 rupiah. And we have the LED TV. It costs 4,300,000. We have 2 of those. So in total is 8,600,000. Then we have the switch. It costs 2,950,000 rupiah. Then we have the keyboard. It costs only 150,000. Then we have the KVM switch, which only costs 370. So in total for all of them is 34,450,000 rupiah. And thank you.
Network topology. Before we explain the network topology, we apologize that we have forgot to name each location, which is the top location is CCTV room. In the middle we have indoor cafe, and in the bottom we have outdoor cafe. In the top location or in the CCTV room, we have 2 PC, 1 NVR, and 1 printer. And then we have 2 CCTV. The IP address for the first PC is 192.168.10.3, and then for the second PC, is connected to the printers, but also the printers is the printers don't need IP address because the IP address is from the PC. The IP address for the PC is 192.168.10.4. and then the IP address for the NVR is 192.168.10.2. In the CCTV room we have switch, we have PC, printer, NVR, and switch. For the IP address for the switch is 192.168.10.1, and then we go to the middle. In the middle room, we have 4 CCTV, 1 switch, 1 PC, and 1 printers. For the information, this PC is not connected to the CCTV because the PC in the middle room is for cashier to calculate the paying or selling transaction. In the middle room where we have switch, which is the IP address is 192.168.12.1, and then the PC is 192.168.12.2, and then the printers is connected to the PC, that so the printers is no need an IP address. And then in the bottom room we have one router Wi-Fi and 3 CCTV, 3 outdoor CCTV. For the Wi-Fi router, the IP address is 192.168.30.1 and 192.168.30.2 strip 192.168.12.112 and 7.